everyone, if you've been preparing for IELTS, you've probably seen those videos saying, next exam will be easier, these topics are 100% coming. So the big question is, are these predictions real or just a myth? Short answer, it's mostly a myth, but there is a small bit of truth to it. Let's talk about what's really going on. Organizations like the British Council, IDP, and Cambridge do not release future IELTS questions. So if someone says the next IELTS will be easy, these exact copies will come, or reading will be harder this week, they're not predicting, they're guessing. What do you think? Let us know. Here's why it sometimes feels true. Because IELTS uses a large question bank, and yes, some topics repeat. For example, environment, education, technology. Also, experienced teachers notice patterns, and test takers share recent questions online. So what you're seeing is educated guesses about common topics and not real predictions of the exact exam papers. Now, let's clear up one big myth. Easy, medium, or hard IELTS exams. IELTS is designed to be standardized, and this means that even if one test feels harder, the scoring system adjusts it. So yes, you might be walking out thinking, wow, that was difficult, but your band score will still be fair. What actually works? Instead of relying on predictions, focus on your skills, not topics. We've started an IELTS success series on YouTube, so check that out. Practice all types of questions, especially reading and listening. Build vocabulary around common themes, and most importantly, practice with timing. This is what really improves your score. Let me give you a simple reality check. If predictions really worked, everyone would score band 9 or 8. IELTS would lose its credibility, but that hasn't happened, and that tells you everything you need to know. So here's your final takeaway. Topic predictions are sometimes a little helpful. Difficulty predictions are basically useless, and exact exam predictions are not reliable at all. If you want, I can share a list of high-frequency IELTS topics that actually help you prepare the right way without any fake predictions. Just let me know in the comments. Coming next in part 5, answering multiple choice questions.